Should you test the toilet for leaks immediately after installation? Yes, immediate testing catches issues before they cause damage. After setting the toilet and tightening the bolts to the correct torque, flush the toilet multiple times to confirm a full refill cycle and stable bowl water level. Watch carefully at the base where the toilet meets the floor for any signs of water seepage, and feel around the closet flange area with a dry paper towel to detect small leaks. Check the supply line connection and shutoff valve for any dripping during and after flushes, and tighten slightly if you feel a vibration or see a bead of water. Do not over-tighten plastic fittings. Sit on the closed lid or push gently against the bowl to test for movement or instability, and re-torque the floor bolts if there is any wobble, replacing washers or using a longer bolt if the flange is damaged. Verify that the tank bolts and gasket are dry between tank and bowl by placing a clean paper towel under the tank while another person flushes, since slow weeps can be missed visually. For a more thorough test, add a few drops of food coloring to the tank and wait 10 minutes to ensure no colored water appears in the bowl, which would indicate a faulty flapper or internal leak. The most common issues are leaks at the base from a bad wax ring or uneven flange, so remove the toilet, inspect and replace the seal with a new wax or waxless ring, and ensure the flange sits flush with the finished floor. A loose toilet often stems from under-torqued or corroded bolts, so replace damaged bolts, use nylon washers to prevent cracking, and torque evenly to avoid cracking the porcelain. Internal tank leaks and silent running usually come from worn flappers or misadjusted fill valves. So replace the flapper, clean the seal seat, and set the fill valve to the correct water line to stop continuous flow. At bighomeprojects.com, we help homeowners find local contractors by location and project type, and we help contractors find work by listing their services and availability. We also host a community discussion area where we share experiences, ask questions, and troubleshoot post-installation checks together.